Markla represent. Yeah, the same one. Money we are pre for the hero. Money me are pre to your sharer.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've been in the kitchen. Yeah, I know. I haven't deserted you guys. I'm still here. So I just decided to do this video today. Just to catch up with you guys. Just to give you an update of what's been going on and why I haven't been in the kitchen and stuff like that. Yeah, so just want to say, if this is your first time here, thanks for coming, and please hit that subscribe button down below, and yeah, turn your post notification on so you can know whenever I post a new video, right? And to my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you guys for the continued support. Thank you for everything. And oh, this is my first video of the new year, innit? I know it's 14 days in, but happy new year to everyone. And I hope that you guys are having a good start to the year so far. I hope that it will also be a productive year for each and every one of us. Like, I hope that all the goals that we set, we'll accomplish them, and if we don't accomplish all of them, we'll accomplish most of them. All right, so yeah, with that being said, as I said, I just want to give you guys an update. Like, I know I've been posting videos, I haven't been in the kitchen, and it's like, I don't even know how to put it, but it was a point where it becomes a bit difficult with work and to manage time and family life and the whole works. It just got a bit difficult, and I couldn't muster the courage. Now, I wouldn't even say courage. Like, I wasn't feeling the kitchen. I wasn't feeling the kitchen, so I just didn't want to go in the kitchen and post a video for posting's sake, right? I wanted to give you guys good quality, and I just wasn't at that place. Like, I tried, and I wasn't at that place. My mind wasn't at that place. Like, I had so much things on my mind, like, trust me. And if you know me, you know that the kitchen is normally my happy place. Like, I go in the kitchen, and whatever problems there is, whatever issue, I go in the kitchen, and once I'm in the kitchen, everything disappears. Like, I don't have no problems anymore once I'm in the kitchen. But that wasn't happening. I've been in the kitchen and I'm thinking about everything. The world is there still, and it just wasn't I just wasn't feeling the kitchen. So I just decided, you know what? Give the kitchen a break. Like, just give it a break. And that's the reason why I took a break out the kitchen, because I just wasn't feeling it, and I had so much stuff on my mind. But now, yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to kickstart again. I'm ready to jump back in the kitchen, and I'm ready to give you guys more exciting recipes, right? Yeah, so that's the reason why I haven't been posting much. I haven't been in the kitchen much. Like, I just had a lot going on, and my mind wasn't settled, and I just couldn't do it with an unsettled mind. So I just try my best to just give it a break. I still did a couple of live videos, a live stream, because I needed to do those live stream in order to accumulate some watch time and stuff like that. So I still did a bit of live stream where, you know, I had people talking to and stuff like that. So it was a bit easy for me to, because I had people around. Like, yeah, and thanks to everyone that jumped on the live stream with me each and every night that I did it. Thanks for the support and thanks for the love. Like, you know, I really appreciate it. But that was much easier because that wasn't just me, it was me along with other people. So yeah, it did make things a lot easier. So that's that, and as I said, I'm ready and roaring to go again, and I'll be giving you guys exciting content. I'm a regular time, you know that. Sunday, yeah, you can look out for me Sunday. This Sunday coming, you can look out for a video, and yeah, I'll be giving you videos and videos and more videos. There's one thing that I want to thank you guys for. So my channel has been accepted in the YouTube partner program, right? Yeah, my channel has been accepted in the partner program, meaning my channel is monetized. So it's time to it's that time where, you know, we'll start seeing a bit of reward for the effort that we've been putting in, and it's really good. It's a great feeling. I know it's just one step, one milestone chalked off, but it's really a big milestone, because, you know, we've been posting videos, we've been doing the work, putting in the work, and it's really good, and it's really a good feeling to be rewarded for that hard work. And I couldn't have done it without you guys supporting me on a weekly basis, liking my video, sharing my video, commenting, and all of those stuff. Right? So now when I'm in video them, me gonna start telling you, say, yo, make sure you watch it ads them. Yeah, but yeah, it's a good feeling. Trust me, it's a good feeling. But I just wanna say, I want to mention two persons. Like, there are a lot of persons, but I just want to make special mention of two persons. Toni-Ann, all right? Toni-Ann pushed me a lot in the final stages. Even when I wasn't feeling YouTube, I didn't want to be on YouTube. Wasn't feeling it. Toni-Ann pushed me a far away, right? She helped me a lot, and her channel is All Things Toni-Ann. You can check out her channel. She have great content over there. All right, she was one of them person that was in my corner, making sure I did what was necessary to get my channel across that line. And Toni-Ann, I just want to say thank you. Thanks for the support, and thanks for the love and the encouragement. All right, and that's my G Toni-Ann. All right, you can check out our channel as well. I'll put the channel in the description, so you can run over and check out our channel. She's very supportive. And another person I want to make mention of is Naturally Tammy. That's Tammy. Her channel name is Naturally Tammy. Like, yo, she pushed me a lot as well, like, with all the encouragement, the support, and, you know, Tammy, I really appreciate it. Like, yeah, without you guys, I wouldn't have been monetized as yet. And that's not just me saying that because of saying it sake. That's me saying it because I genuinely believe, and I genuinely know that at that time when you guys start pushing me and start grab my hands and hit me up my head and say I need to put in the work, if I didn't start putting in the work that time, I would have been monetized. So I just want to say thank you guys, and I really appreciate the support and the love that you guys have given me. And again, I'll put Tammy's link in the description. Her channel name is Naturally Tammy, and you guys can go over there and check it out. She does natural hair videos and stuff like that, so you guys can go over there and check it out. And yeah, and to everyone else that has been supporting me, watching, running my playlists, being on my live, I just want to say thank you guys. And like, it would be I would be sitting here all day if I call everybody's name, but you know, I just had to make mention of those two persons. And my friends, who don't even have a YouTube channel but stick on YouTube with me for hours on my live stream and stuff like that. Yeah, thank you guys, and family as well. Like, thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys. I'm back. JoeBlack is back. Alright? Yeah. So this is where I'm gonna end this video. Right? I'm not gonna, yeah, I can stay here and talk long. I like to talk sometime. Yeah, I'm in a talking mood today. But guys, thank you so much for the love and support, and I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you guys. And as I said, JoeBlack is back. Until next time, walk good. I love you now.